beautiful. Gotta love that. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolfie. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So I haven't made a video in like about a month, of course, because I was getting my car built for shift sector. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that my coolant line had ruptured, the stock coolant line. So not much you can really do about that. So I haven't done like an official first drive video yet, and honestly, on video or not, I haven't even really floored it in my car yet, so I don't even really know what it does. I've had the car back for I think like a little over a week or so. But dude, it's freaking nuts. It's a little, I'm not gonna lie, like just barely easing into the gas in like third, fourth, even fifth gear, whatever. Dude, this thing freaking pulls. But I have driven my car to work a few times, and I have to say the stock drivability is still there. The only difference is, of course, is at idle, it's got a nasty idle, shakes a little bit, but I like that. And that was actually something I kind of wanted. You know, I kind of like want to feel like I'm in a race car, and you know, definitely now I for sure am. Well, that was a pretty cool little car meet for the, you know, I think the hour that I was there. But I did meet my car's twin. So there was a orange camo wrapped Dodge Hellcat out there, and that was pretty cool to see another orange camo wrapped car like mine. I don't have like near as many car friends as I have here than I did in California. Of course, it took me a while to, you know, build all those friendships and meet all those people, so I'm just gonna have to do the same thing here, put myself out there, meet some people, you know, hopefully get some runs in, have some fun with the car. Car is freaking nuts. What the? Whoa, I need to get off the highway. Holy crap. Hey, buddy. Woo-wee. Oh my God. That's insane. That's literally ridiculous. Dude, now I want to race, bro. I should have found some people to freaking race. I need to find some people to race. God, now that I've felt what that extra power is like, dude, I want some more, bro. I need to find somebody that wants to play. Dude, would be cool to find like a 720S or some kind of McLaren or Lamborghini to race. Is that a Supra? That was a Supra, boy. The cool thing is that Ryan programmed the transmission to where I'm in manual mode. It'll hold whatever gear I'm going all the way to red line. So I'm pretty sure like Audi R8s and Lamborghinis, I think their Corsa mode is basically that, where it doesn't necessarily just upshift right away in like second or at 2,000 or 3,000 RPMs. It'll hold whatever gear I'm in all the way to red line. So I'd say third gear pull would be a pretty good test of what the 60-130 will be. I mean, obviously it's going to be in the 5s. I don't know. And this is all with traction on, of course. I'm not turning the traction off on this car. I'm just not doing it. No way, because there's too much torque. 700 torque to the wheels. No thank you. No thank you, sir. I am good on that, brother, I tell you what. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's really my first kind of driving video since I've gotten my car back. This thing's freaking rowdy, boy. And this is just the beginning. Oh, that guy lives in my apartment. He's got a camo charger. Listen to that, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so nice. God, I love this car. Well, I'm definitely not in California anymore. It is hot, man. I'm used to going to car meets and wearing like a hoodie and sweatpants. Not anymore. But hey, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to be out here in Texas. And I'm excited for this journey to keep going. It's really getting started. It's gonna be freaking fun. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.